you guys. I want to give you a quick overview on our New Year's focus. It's called Reset and Thrive in 2025, and I could not be more excited. If you have been following me for some time now, you know I am just a huge proponent of women's health, and I was really looking for a program that I could share with you all as we head into a new year, and I have found that for you. I am so excited to lock arms and do this together. Okay, a little bit about this program and what makes it so effective and different from everything else that's out there today. So this is a 2-phase program. It's 5 weeks in total. It's revolutionary in the sense that never before has a reset been treated in the same way that we're going to be treating it together. Okay, and here's what I mean. Typically speaking, when you do a reset, a detox, a cleanse, you are in depletion mode. You are removing calories. You are, unfortunately, burning muscle to fuel your body so that you can get through the day. What happens is, of course, you lose weight, but at the end, you typically go right back to where you were, and that's not what we want, you guys. We want to build sustainable habits. So this is unique, and here is why. Our reset phase, which is the first 5 days of the program, is going to combine 3 things: nourishment, powered by protein, and restorative balance. All right, so let's talk nourishment real quickly. You are going to be receiving in your kit 5 individual boxes. I can't wait to get my hands on them. I was able to sort of touch them and look at everything over last weekend, but I can't wait to have these in my home, and soon enough, that's to come. Okay, each day you are going to have everything you need in this kit. You are going to have, 3 meals, multiple snacks, and drinks. 65 grams of protein in this box alone. And here's the special part about this reset and what makes it so incredibly different. We're gonna aim, you guys, to nourish your body with close to 100 grams of protein a day. What that's going to do for us is help us burn fat and not muscle. And that's what's going to make this so sustainable and so very different than everything else that's out there. Okay, so first you've got nourishment. You're going to be getting micronutrients, macronutrients. You're going to be getting your fiber, your vitamins, and your minerals. Next up, powered by protein. So like I said, you're going to be in your kit receiving 65 grams of protein per day. And then we're going to supplement each day with additional proteins, fruits, and veggies to get you right where we want you for optimal results. Then, last but not least, is restorative balance. So within your kit, you're going to have products that are going to help you sleep better, have better clarity, energy, and focus, and better gut health. It all works together, you guys, these 3 elements over those first 5 days to drive results. And again, everything is going to be in your kit. All right, let's talk about phase 2. Again, like I mentioned, this is a 5-week program. So once we complete our days 1 through 5, we move into what I like to think of and categorize as phase 2, sustainable growth habits. What that means is we're going to continue to build off of everything that we did in the first 5 days with sustainable results. During this time period, we're going to have some different options for you guys in terms of supplements to support your day, but most importantly, you guys, you're going to have menus, recipes, guidelines, grocery lists. We're going to be doing this together. You'll have access to our private group. But essentially, we're going to give you all of the building blocks to make this a sustainable habit. Now, I've been talking about women's health for a very long time. This program is perfection. First of all, muscle protein is essential to women's health. Gut health is essential to women's health. Non-processed foods, non-sugary foods, essential to women's health. We are going to be diving into all of these elements over these 5 weeks, and you are going to see incredible transformation. All right, I want to keep this to 5 minutes to 6 minutes or so. So real quickly, in that phase 2, you're going to have some options. Recommended for you are going to be our Good Gut and Go, which is a pre and probiotic. It's daily every morning for me. Our Life Shake. What makes our shake completely different from everything else on the market? Let me tell you, it is patented, number 1. Number 2, well, real quick on the patent, you receive a patent when your product is unique and beneficial to society. So it's not ordinary protein in this shake. This shake is powered by leucine, and leucine supports your metabolism, burns fat, and helps you build lean muscle. You guys, this is proven. So my focus for you guys is to help you in that phase 2, and this will be a great help. Again, it's optional, but it's definitely something a lot of people are going to be utilizing, and I will too. You'll have 20 grams of plant-based protein, as well as your vitamins and minerals, which are quantifiable here. And in addition to that, 6 grams of fiber. Okay, so that's option 2. Option 1 is just our base kit, which is going to give you everything you need for those 5 days and then access to our group. Option 2 is going to everything in option 1, plus the addition of these 2 products. Option 3 is going to give you our women's vitalizer and our shake. You guys, the vitalizer is really important. I'm going to be doing this with you guys, like I said, and I will be starting this with you in January. So what's important about your vitamins, and I know we always feel like, oh, I'm getting it from my nutrition, I'm getting it from a supplement that I'm taking, but are we getting it comprehensively? That's the trick. And the likelihood is no. And are we getting it at the quality and level that we need? Probably not. So we are going to take the time, and what's cool about the vitalizer is it's everything that you need for your overall nutrient health. So we have in here an advanced multivitamin, we have a B and C complex, we have the E-omega, so your omega-3 fatties, and then we have a Pearl probiotic, which is why I swapped these for these. But again, I'm excited. We can optimize this. Optimize, is that a word? Personalize this for you based on your goals. This launches December 16th. Our group is going to start January 6th with a prep week. January 13th is day 1. I encourage all of you guys to ask questions, shoot me a message, and get set up early. I know demand is going to be super high. All right, I'm going to log off. There's more I could say, but I hit that 7-minute mark. All right, bye guys.